Hi, I'm Ronnie Moore with Cross Company's Process Solutions Group. Today we're going to talk about valve automation and best practices. One benefit of this particular Stonel Axiom, we have it with the optional Bluetooth feature. So Stonel offers a free app for Apple iPads and iPhones. So the Stonel app will search the surrounding area, the nearby area, for all devices, all Stonel devices with Bluetooth, and it will give you tag numbers. When you find the tag number you're looking for, simply touch the tag number. It will connect with the device. Now keep in mind, this is read only. You cannot operate the valve from your phone. So this is just a maintenance feature that Stonel offers you. So you can look at the status of the valve in real time. So if you power it up, it tells you there was power sent to the solenoid and now it's in the open position. De-energize the solenoid, it goes back to closed. It shows you the red for being closed. This is the same signal that your controller room or your panel is going to see. Another feature, if you have multiple devices, you can press the wink on your phone, and these have a clear cover. So you can see which valve you're looking at. If you had a bunch of valves installed overhead, you can, and you're trying to figure out which valve is which, you can have it wink at you. Another good feature on this app is on this page, you can name the valve. You can add any tag numbers you want. You can add any notes that you want to put on the valve. Plus you can put any additional information. So if this is on a preventative maintenance schedule, you could list on here when the valve was repaired last, when it was looked at last. From this you can bring up the installation manual for the Stonel Axiom. You can bring up Stonel's website. You go to the next page and it tells you the history of this valve. So in its lifetime, how many times it's opened, how many times it's closed, under cycle counts. You can reset. It's got a temporary cycle count, and then it's got a lifetime count. So you can reset, say if you're wanting to know when this valve is operated 1,000,000 times, you can see on here how close you're getting. It gives you the initial speed of the valve from closed to open, open to close, and the last time it stroked. So you can see if this valve is starting to wear out. So as the valve wears out, it's going to go faster. Or if there's something wrong with the valve, it can start operating slower if the actuator is wearing out or if you're getting something clogged up in the valve. So you can see, based on this, how the valve is acting compared to when it was originally assembled. So if if your speed gets too slow or too fast, you know it's time to look at the valve. It's a handy maintenance feature that can save your mechanics a lot of time. So to recap the best practices when automating a valve, make sure your actuator is strong enough to smoothly operate the valve. Loosely assemble the actuator on the valve and stroke it a few times to make sure everything lines up. Once the actuator and valve are torqued together, test it again. Continue to test along the way to make sure there's no surprises when you have it completely assembled. After the assembly's complete, test it a couple more times. This will ensure a smooth operation and long-term service of your valve. You can contact Cross Company's Valve Automation Center for any of your automation needs. We have an extensive line of ball valves, butterfly control valves, along with actuators, limit switches, positioners, control units. Contact one of our application engineers for your specific application. We can help you with all your valve needs.